to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a recipe for pita bread. And this is one that somebody asked me the differences between like naan bread and tortillas and pita bread. So I thought I'd first give all of the recipes and you can compare them yourself because they're not that similar actually. But pita bread is a very simple bread that is only cooked in the pan. That's basically the only difference between it and regular bread. So let's get started. Just a few basic ingredients. We need 4 cups or 500 grams of flour, 1.5 cups or 350 milliliters of warm water, 1 tablespoon dry yeast, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon sugar. Combine the water, sugar, and yeast and mix together. Then, in a large mixing bowl, combine flour and salt and mix in the yeast mixture until you can't anymore. Then knead it to a smooth dough. You may need a tablespoon or 2 more or less of flour. Cover and allow to rise for about an hour. Knead briefly, split into 6 pieces. Add a small amount of oil to a pan heated over medium heat for 3 minutes on each side. Press the dough into a circle before heating and poke it with your fingers or a fork. This pita bread is lovely and soft and has a neutral flavor. I highly recommend this recipe. For more cakes and recipes, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for more recipes.